How to create a new account on Mobile Legends. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to do it. By doing this process, you can create as many Mobile Legends accounts as you want, and you will not lose your resources. So without further ado, let's start. To create a new account in Mobile Legends, we need to download an app from the App Store. Let us close Mobile Legends app and open Play Store. Here, search for the app called Parallel Space. Here it is. Let's install it. The installation is done. Let's open Parallel Space. Click on Agree and Continue. Click on Continue again and allow all the access requests. Now let's click on Start. In this app, we are going to clone Mobile Legends so that we can have two Mobile Legends app in our device. Just check the app that you want to clone. I only want to clone Mobile Legends, so let's uncheck other applications here. Keep the Mobile Legends checked. And after that, click on Add to Parallel Space. Then accept. We can now open our second Mobile Legends app by clicking on it. And we are now creating our second Mobile Legends account. Enter your character name here. Choose what country you are from, then select your gender. Once done, click on OK. Just pick any hero and click on Confirm. This will bring you to the tutorials. And after the tutorials, this is now our new account. Just open Parallel Space every time you want to play this account. If you want to play this account on the original app, the first step is you need to connect your Mobile Legends account. Just go to your profile and click on Account. You can connect it to your Moonton account, email, TikTok, Google Play, Facebook, and VK account. If you want a guide on how to do it, I have a separate tutorial about that. Just click the link above or in the description. Once your account is already connected, you can now go back to the original Mobile Legends app. Go to Profile and Account. Then click on Switch Account here to sign in your new Mobile Legends account here. Choose which platform your new account is connected. Please also make sure that your main account is also connected so that you can switch back to it anytime. If you want to create more Mobile Legends account, just clear the data of Parallel Space and repeat the process.